Hi friends, as we are preparing for the CISA exam, there is one important topic in the domain 3 which is the concept of changeover. So, let us see what actually the changeover is. So, meaning of changeover. In a simple sense, we can say that moving from one application to the another application, we call it as changeover. So, there is one existing application which is the old one and we are moving that to the new application which is nothing but the replacing application, or we can call it as a new application. So, this is called as changeover. So, there are other names which are given for the changeover. There are which is called as go live. Go live is one of the name given for the changeover, and why it is being given as it enables the start of the new system. So, as soon as we prepare the new system, we make it as a live. So, we call it as go live, and the other name also given for the changeover is cutover technique. Why? Because we are cutting out the older one and moving to the newer one. So, it is also called as cutover technique. So, the two names given for this is go live technique as well as cutover technique, that is changeover technique. We will see the classification of changeover. So, there are three different types of changeovers. First one is parallel changeover, second one is phased changeover, and third one is abrupt changeover. So, these are the three types of changeovers which are present here. So, let us see each and everything in detail. The first one is parallel changeover. So, in this we will be having one existing system. As I told, the existing system is the old one, and also there is one more system, we call it as new system, which we are moving into the area. So, in the parallel changeover system, the both existing system and new system will be running in parallel. So, both will be simultaneously moving. So, that is the reason why it is called as a parallel changeover. What are the advantages of using this kind of system? First one is it will reduce the risk which we are using the new system. That means, it will minimize the risk of using the new system. And second one is help the user in identifying the problem at the beginning of the new systems. So, these are the two advantages of using parallel changeover. So, there is another type of changeover is the phased changeover. Here in the parallel changeover, as soon as you get the confidence on the new system, you will slowly remove the older system. That means, when the new system is comfortable with you, or else if you are comfortable with the new system, the older system will be discontinued in the parallel changeover. So, why it is in the here one reduce the risk of using the new system? Why? Because so when you are using new system, the older system also exists. So, if there are any problems, you can run the things on the existing system itself without dependency on the new system. That is an advantage. So, let us see the phased changeover. In the phased changeover, what happens is that you will have an existing system and also you will be having a new system. So, what is the difference between the parallel and the phased is that here your existing system will be divided into the modules, and also the new system is also divided into the modules. So, existing system and new system both are divided into the modules. So, in the here the existing system will be divided into the modules, as I told. The module 1 is been phased out with the module 1 of a new system. So, until and unless the modules of both the systems, that is module 1 of both the systems get completed, they will not move to the module 2. So, in the same way the module 2 will be phased out with the module 2 of the new system. So, in this way the changeover takes place. So, there are some advantages here, because everything will be happened in the pre-planned and the phased manner. So, as we have seen, each and after completion of each and every module only you are going to the next module. So, it happens in a pre-planned and a phased manner. There are some disadvantages over here. First one is resource allocation, that means resource challenge which will be facing in both the IT environment and also the operation environment. In case of IT environment, what are the disadvantages is that you need to find out the environment with the hardware and databases. In case of operation side, you need to parallelly prepare the procedures and also guides and policies, etc. So, these are the some of the resource challenges, and also the project life cycle extension is also there in covering the both the systems, and change management requirements. So, these are the disadvantages of phased changeover. And we will see the third one, that is abrupt changeover. Abrupt changeover means both existing system and the new systems will happen on some cut off date and time. So, if today is that 30th September, where my system will go on October 1st to the new system, that is it. From tomorrow onwards you will have the new system, on the tomorrow onwards there will not be any existing system. Old system is discontinued with the date and time which is mentioned. So, that is called abrupt changeover. So, these are the three types of changeovers which are existing. So, we will see what are there are some steps involved in moving to the new system. So, there are 4 major steps for changeover activities. First one is you need to convert the files and programs. After that, you need to install a new hardware and hardware, OS, application systems and data, and you need to train the employees as per the new system, and you need to start making the system go live and do the operations. So, these are the 4 steps. First one, you need to convert the files and programs, and second you need to install some requirements of software and hardwares, and also you need to train the employees accordingly, and finally make your system go live and start your operations, so that the trained people can work on it. So, these are the 4 major steps which are involved in the changeover activity. So, in the same time the changeover activity has some sort of risks. The first risk associated with this is asset safeguarding, and second one is data integrity, and third is most important, system effectiveness and efficiency. So, reasonable results are obtained or not, and change management challenges which we have seen previously, and duplicating of records. Thank you.